Tracking your most accurate forecast, I'm meteorologist Jorge Torres. We are monitoring the storm system that will bring with it high winds across the state, slight chance for snow showers, mainly in eastern parts of Arizona, and some of the coldest temperatures of the season. Here's a look at futurecasts throughout your Wednesday. You'll see the opportunity for snow showers mainly over the Four Corners area and the White Mountains, and then that storm slides to the east late Wednesday night into Thursday morning, really impacting areas across Colorado, New Mexico, and portions of Texas. And then after that moves out, high pressure will build throughout the weekend, allowing for those temperatures to climb back to at and above average temperatures for daytime highs. We're calling for highs back in the 70s here in the valley. But tomorrow, it'll be windy, especially in western Arizona and along the Colorado River Valley, with gusts potentially reaching 60 miles per hour in areas like Bullhead City and Lake Havasu City. Here in central parts of the state and in northern Arizona, too, just breezy tomorrow. Winds sustained right around 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting to around 25 at times. Now, as far as snowfall, not going to be a lot with this particular storm. Some areas may pick up anywhere from 1 to 3 inches. Heber, Show Low, for example, in the White Mountains and across the Navajo Nation, 1 to 3 potentially there in Winter Rock. But at Winslow, Flagstaff, and Sedona, we're talking perhaps a dusting, maybe even an inch, and that's about it. But cold mornings are ahead. We go from 47 tomorrow morning in the valley to 39 degrees Thursday and Friday, and then slowly warming up in the morning hours for the weekend with lows still in the 40s. So bring out the heavy jackets here in the Phoenix metro, at least for the next several mornings. Tonight, we'll drop to 47 here in the valley, 21 in Flagstaff, 26 in Heber and Show Low, down to 28 degrees, 30 in Page. So the cold air will not arrive until about Thursday and Friday, too, across northern and central parts of the state. But highs should remain quite chilly up in the high country. 20s in Flagstaff, so you're going to stay below freezing tomorrow. 30 at the Grand Canyon, 40s in Prescott and Sedona and Payson, and 50s with high winds as you head to the west from Bullhead City down to Quartzsite, too. And here in the valley, calling for highs in the lower 60s on your Wednesday. East Valley tonight, lows dipping down into the mid-40s, so a seasonal night with highs tomorrow up below average, anywhere from 54 in Carefree to 62 in Scottsdale and Gilbert. In the West Valley tonight, lows staying as cold as 39 in Wickenburg. Everyone else generally in the low to mid-40s from Surprise, Litchfield Park, and Goodyear. Highs tomorrow remaining in the mid-60s. So here's your 7-day for the valley. Highs staying in the 60s through at least Saturday with lows in the 30s and 40s. Flagstaff, of course, much colder with highs in the 20s and 30s and lows as cold as 5 degrees Thursday morning.